Desiree from Missouri City has a question about a roof leak.
Yeah, her insurance rep came out and said the roof is not causing this. Okay, so Desiree writes, he went up and found no damage to the roof itself, and he said penetrations may be the cause of the damage. And he says there's no hail or anything. And Desiree wants to know, Tom, is that possible? And wouldn't these kind of problems be covered by the insurance?
First off, let's talk about the roof and what he did. He says penetrations might be the problem, but the roof is fine. In other words, adjusters are taught to look at shingles. And if there's hail damage, like he said, or something like that, it's pretty obvious. So that's covered under insurance. But penetrations are also covered by your roofer. Your roofer's going to go in, and if there's a penetration that's leaking, it's still a roof leak. I don't care how you put it. A roof leak is a roof leak. Doesn't mean you need a new roof. You just need to fix the problem. So I would call a roofer out. I would have them do a full inspection. If they find a leak, then it's all said and done, and the leak will be fixed. If it's a penetration, that's their job. Now, as far as the insurance goes, the insurance does not pay to fix the problem. The problem would be the roof penetration. If that's the case, then you'll have to pay out of pocket the roofer to fix that. But they will pay for this damage because this damage has been going on. Nobody can find it. You've done the right thing by calling the adjuster out. So it's been noted that you do have damage. But all that sheetrock up there, and if there's a little mold residual or anything of that nature, they're going to have to cover it. So as far as that goes, before I get into what I think you should do on the other side, I do want to say that it is close to the air conditioning vent. It could be sweating from the air conditioning duct. So that would be something else I want you to rule out too. If a roofer finds no problem at all, then go to your air conditioning technician, have them come out and take a good look at that ductwork and fix that. Now, I don't know how severe this is. It could be just calling Rudy in to fix the sheetrock. But we also have a certified Home Show Pro, which is Rouse Restoration. And they'll come in and they'll take out the bad stuff. They will use mildicides, fungicides. They will clean the whole area up. It'll be sweet. It'll be perfect. It's part of the insurance. They work with the insurance companies on all their claims. And then, of course, then you can have Rudy come in and just put the sheetrock back and patch it up real nice and make it look beautiful again. But that would be the process.
So, wow, this is a three-stepper for us. So first of all, you maybe Ideal Roofing to come check the roof and the penetrations for starters. Then Absolute Comfort Air to check the ductwork and make sure nothing's sweating, causing a moisture problem there. Then Rouse, if there is a moisture problem, to kind of remediate the mold issues or any moisture issues that are going on up there.
Yeah, and depending how old the house is, we can throw one more in. If they find old galvanized plumbing pipes up there, and there's a couple of little pinhole leaks that have been unnoticed, then whose TDT comes in and fixes the pipe first.
Yeah, they'll come in with their
we got
E-pipe
them covered with HomeShowRadio.com.
There's no doubt about it. Some cones in front of the house to save room for all the Home Show pros that are going to show up and fix this for you.
But you know what? Everything except if it was a plumbing, you have to pay for the pipe. Right. If it's air conditioning duct, you have to pay for the duct. Or if it's a roof leak, you have to pay for the roof repair. But all that damage is paid for by your insurance company and the restoration process to go along with it.
Yeah, we've talked about this before. Like in your shower pan, if the shower pan leaks, you have to fix the shower pan, but they've paid for the damage that it caused.
All the damage, that's right. As long as you stay on top of it, sometimes they try to get out of it. But that's usually negligence when people let things go a little too long and just put their blinders on. They don't do that.
I would never do such a thing. All right, you got a question? Okay, enough. We're moving on now. You got a question? Go ahead, visit HomeShowRadio.com.
His address is?
Fill out the Ask Tom form. Send it in. Fill it out. Send it in, and we'll put out a video just like this for you with an answer that we'll post on our website, our Facebook page, or even our YouTube channel. If you want to know when we post a new one of those, go there, subscribe, and click the bell, and we'll notify you every time we post a new video.